Hello, and welcome to your German language lesson. Today, we're going to learn some common words in English and their German counterparts. Let's get started. 1. Water in German is Wasser. 2. Mother is Mutter. 3. Father is Vater. 4. Brother is Bruder. 5. Sister is Schwester. 6. Friend is Freund. 7. House is Haus. 8. Book is Buck. 9. Hand remains is Hand. 10. Foot is Fuss. 11. Fish is Fish. 12. Bird is Vogel. 13. Tree is Baum. 14. Flower is Bloom. 15. Grass is Gras. 16. Rain is Regen. 17. Snow is Schnee. 18. Sun is Sonne. 19. Moon is Mond. 20. Star is Stern. Remember, while these words have similar spellings, their pronunciation can be quite different due to the unique sounds in the German language. Practice these words daily, and gradually add more vocabulary into your studies. Happy learning!